Understanding Webinar Promotion, a guide for beginners. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of digital events, focusing on webinar promotion. If you've ever wondered how online seminars attract audiences, this video is for you. We'll unravel the meaning of webinar promotion and explore effective strategies to make these events a hit. Before we talk about promotion, let's define a webinar. A webinar is a virtual seminar or workshop held over the internet. It's an interactive session where participants can view presentations, listen to the speaker, and engage through questions and discussions, all from the comfort of their homes or offices. Webinar promotion involves strategies and actions taken to attract and inform potential attendees about a webinar. It's not just about informing people, it's about sparking interest and encouraging them to register and participate. Effective promotion can significantly boost the number of participants and the overall success of the webinar. 1. Create an engaging landing page. Your landing page is where potential attendees first interact with your webinar. Make it informative and inviting. 2. Utilize email marketing. Send out invites and reminders to your subscriber list. Personalize the messages to make them more engaging. 3. Leverage social media platforms. Promote your webinar on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Use eye-catching graphics and hashtags to increase visibility. 4. Partner with influencers or industry leaders. Collaboration can extend your reach and add credibility to your webinar. 5. Offer incentives. Provide early bird discounts, exclusive content, or certificates to encourage sign-ups. Promotion doesn't end with the webinar's start. Evaluate your promotional strategy's effectiveness by analyzing registration numbers, attendee rates, and participant feedback. Use these insights to improve future webinar promotions. Webinar promotion is crucial in making your event successful. By understanding and implementing effective promotional strategies, you can attract a wider audience and ensure your webinar is an enriching experience for all involved. We hope this video helps you on your journey to hosting fantastic webinars. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.